so look into making a video of the next pop vinyl is a Venompool. It's a game, it's a character from this game called Quest of Champions. And it's basically the Venom symbiote mixed with Deadpool. And it's awesome. So the packaging, and this one's so detailed. If you look around his body closely, you can see staples on his body. So the packaging is good. He has the front person, just the window and the little guy. It shows him exactly what he is. And then on the back we have King Groot, Fred, Civil Warrior, Venompool, Howard the Duck, and Punisher 2090. On the top we have just a regular kind of pop, and then Deadpool saying that. And on the bottom we just have the codes. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. He's not looking. Come out. Whoa! Oh, look at his tongue. Look at his tongue. He can't really stand.
Is he top heavy?
He can't stand.
We're gonna have to make him somehow.
He can't stand. So he has like the staples. He has the venom tooth. He has the venom tongue. He has the venom teeth. He has the claws. He has the normal Deadpool stuff slightly, but then he has the staples and everything. And here's Deadpool. He is a Bobble-head. He has the swords on the back, but he won't stand. Whoa. Just have to be really careful. Like if I touch him once, he's gonna die. So, don't like my life.
Lots of detail on it.
Yes. Oh God, I kicked something. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. I'm fairly professional. And today I'm making a game called, that you all know, Who's the Biggest? And I forget how the thing goes, so this is gonna be different. At first place here, we have Thanos. And at second place, we have Venompool. At second place, as you all know, the main star of this video. And at third, we have Thor. And then, at fourth place, we have Deadpool. And Venompool is taller than Deadpool. And then, at fifth place, very professional. At fifth place here, we have Deadpool. I'm professional. Let me just stick these things back up. This one might not stand good, so I'm just gonna have to not be professional. I'm just gonna put you over here because nobody likes you. And then at fifth, technically fourth, because we don't have her anymore, Baby Groot with the gun sticking to his head because of Deadpool. It's kind of bad. And then at fifth or sixth or fifth place, we have Iron Man. And then at sixth or seventh place, we have Baby Joker. Not professional. So guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Also, comment down below what you want to see. More pop vinyl reviews? Probably.